So my subscribers, we came yesterday and I caught 13 yesterday, and today this is my second fish. But really, I don't know what type of fish this is because I'm not really into fishing. My brothers and my dad are only the ones, and my brother caught one.
You got another one?
That's the same one I caught.
Look at, oh my God, what kind of fish is this?
Like a bluegill or...
Yeah, kind of bluegill.
I will release it as a family.
All right, release.
Release.
Release. Can you take it out?
No, sir. Hey.
You take the hook out, I hold it. You lock it up. Not yet. Right there. It's not going anywhere. That's it?
No. Bye-bye, beautiful fish.
Oh. And I took it out.
Stay right there. Wait. Don't go by yourself. You have metal all over that. Don't go by yourself.
Bye-bye.
Honey, come on.
Wait. I have to say goodbye to my subscribers. And by my subscribers, remember, be careful because it's lightning today. So make sure don't go near any metal. Nothing that's metal that can struck you. Okay? Peace.